Hi there, Chris here. I just watched Down Under Monkey pop his Schlage, and although his is brass, and mine isn't, this appears to be the same style of logo, and appears to be the same core retainer. I have taken the screw out. I've picked this before, and I beat on it when it's open. And I can't get the cylinder out of here. And I think Bosnian Bill did a video on it, and I've beat down on here, I think. Let's see. I think I have. Let's try it. I have an implement. Nope. 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 So. Okay, I have that turned, I have this turned, I have everything turned. Am I in there? Yes. And it's not coming for whatever reason. Anyway, so just because it's got me, I got it in my hand, I'll pick it. It is a Schlage. It's a five pin or 6 pinner, I can't remember. Never got it, so I don't know. Top of the keyway tension. I'm going to use the Crickster. Custom lock pick by Rookie Lock Picks. Thank you, Rookie Lock Picks. And fairly light tension until I start feeling sets. There's a set. There's a drop. All right, here we go. It's kind of hard because the shackle's so long. I have to hold it at a funny angle. All right, quit screwing around and get this thing picked. Pardon me. Springy in the back. Feels like all standard pins. See if I can get that last pin set. There we go. Not sure who's holding this up. Somebody's holding this up. So 5. Might start over. Everybody feels good. That doesn't feel good. Can't figure out who it is. Unless it's like something like 1. I don't think so. Oh. Okay, there's the Schlage with the unremovable core. People have commented on things to try, and I've tried all those things. It just didn't happen, but we did get it open with the Rookster Crookster. Thank you, Rookie Lock. And anyway, so I thought I'd show that once again. I picked this with a leashy, and I also sent this version in a brass to Southampton Lockpicking Club with a leashy, and they picked it, and they've been having fun with it. So, and I don't think they've been able to get their core out either. Can't remember. Anyway, Barry, if you see this, let me know. I don't think so, though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. Happy 4th of July, just about. And here, we'll see you next time.